All right, Shreya, a very warm welcome. I am Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst, and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. And today we made good money. Today, our family, the TFA family, has made really good money. So if you have made some money today, put it up on your Instagram and just tag us, at the financial analyst, and you can put a hashtag TFA family, and we will see what you've done. But whoever is in our Telegram today, you must have made some good money. So I want to show you what all we have done, and I'll show you what I have taken, how much I have booked today. It's about 3:45 p.m. It was the weekly expiry today. Things were expected to be volatile, but we had a clear direction. We had a vision in the mind. Everyone was alerted last night, and things went smoothly. So whoever has made mistakes, don't get disheartened. It's the weekly expiry. Things will be difficult, but whatever mistakes that you have done, make sure you don't repeat that again, and try to learn from the things that we have done, which has made us successful today in the markets. So let's start off. Let's not waste too much time. So first of all, how much money have I made today? So I made roughly about 1.11 lakh. This is what I made today. Yes, so you can see this on my chart on my screen. I had a lot of losses also, and as Himali discussed last night, it's not that I always enter into a right trade. I do have some wrong trades, but when I have a wrong trade, so I entered the call option at a wrong time, I booked my loss. And booking of a loss is very, very essential, because if I didn't book that loss, I would be stuck in a very wrong position and I couldn't have taken the other entries. So personally, I booked today about 1.11 lakh, and I'm very thankful again for the markets. My profit streak continues. If you've been watching my videos, you know how much I've been earning every single day. If you're on Telegram, you know how much I've been earning every single day. So that's what TFA is all about. It's about transparency. It's about coming together as a family. And all the trades that I've taken, I'll show you what trades I've taken. All the trades I've taken have been given to you in the respective forums. So if you were active on our Telegram channel, you must have been able to make that trades. So what capital was I using? So I used about 2.5 lakh to get this trade, to get this money. And very lucky, we got into very good trades actually today. So we didn't have to use a lot of capital, but approximately about 2.5 lakh of capital was used to clock that money. So roughly about 60% return I've clocked in tonight. So let me show you what we discussed in our Telegram channel, and the things will make much more sense. So if you haven't subscribed to our Telegram channel, guys, it's high time. We have reached 1,600 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone. Every single day about 1,000 people are watching our feed. So I am very, very thankful to every one of you. Whoever are new, whoever, I'd also recommend, people, if you're liking our Telegram channel, refer it to our friends, refer it to your friends, and let's try to make the community bigger. Let's try to reach 2,000 by the end of the week. That would be my target, and I'll be very happy if you can do that for me. So you all can go to Telegram. You can search the financial analyst, or our channel name is TFA Investments. So whatever you want to do, you can do that. So first trade I gave you at 10:16 a.m. in the morning. I said keep your eyes on Airtel. The current market price is 537, and I said that after that at 10:46, after half an hour, we had some minor correction in the market. Then I said that Airtel 540 call option looks good. Current market price 19. That was that went wild. If you open the Airtel chart, I'll show you what happened in Airtel. Airtel from 537, the 540 call option was 19 bucks, and it made a high of 554. So we clocked in about 17 rupees on Airtel. That was extraordinary return. I made some huge money in Airtel. I think I bought about 3 to 4 lots in Airtel. So I made really good money, and we've got a lot of screenshots from each and every one of you. So we put it up on our Instagram channel, so you can check that out. It's at the Financial Analyst. So if you haven't sent us your screenshots, you can put it up on your Instagram story and tag us and put the hashtag TFA family. Also, guys, mention in the comment section below, hit the like button if you traded today. Tell me what your experience was with TFA, and if you made some money, if you took these trades, mention in the comment section what you traded, and also give a hashtag TFA family. I would really like that. So this was the first trade, Airtel 537. We gave you that. I'll show you why we gave you that trade. This is actually the trade is given by Hardik Soni. He's one of the members in the TFA community in our forum. Absolutely wonderful trade. Hats off to him. He's the trader of the day today. So we took a trade personally when the markets were about to give a breakout. This is a region when we entered, when we all told you to take the trade. Also, you can see there was another breakout that had happened. So personally, we entered somewhere around here, but I gave the trade in the Telegram group somewhere around here. So you could have easily clocked in this big momentum. I hope you all made money on that. This was the first trade of the day, Airtel. We clocked in about, I think, 60 to 70% profits from 19 all the way to 28. The second trade that we took was on, so Airtel did very well. I'll show you the next screenshot that's coming in. So the next trade that we took was Adani Ports. The Himalaya gave you a very quick message at 11:40. He said that Adani Ports has been doing very well. You can keep it in a watch. It is a breakout candidate. You know all these things. So things will not become very easy for you. So as you can see at around 11:42, we booked 70%, and you can see my screenshot. So Adani Ports was doing very well at 11:40, and I want to show you what Adani Ports did today. It was another absolutely wonderful trade, Adani Ports. So if you look at the 15-minute chart in Adani Ports, it gave a simple breakout around 11 o'clock, 11:45, and you could have easily trailed this 5 moving average, and you could have got a wonderful target till 521. So you made about $6 per share on Adani. That's about 1.5% if you entered when Himalaya suggested you. So you must have made good money even on Adani. So I want to thank Himalaya for giving this trade to the community. Another wonderful trade. We are keeping the consistency, no stop loss. And the next trade that we gave was Axis Bank. Absolutely wonderful trade given. I told you all to watch Axis Bank, and the price was 669, and I gave you a chart also that it is giving you a daily inside candle. So things are looking very, very interesting on Axis Bank. And from 12:14, you can see how Axis Bank performed. I'll show you the charts of Axis Bank. 669 was the price, and when it broke out 12:45, 669 all the way, it gave you momentum till 676. So you must have clocked in about 1.5% even on Axis Bank. So I took that trade. I personally took about 4 lots in options, 660 call option, and I made good money. That's the reason. So these were 2 trades that I took, Axis Bank as well as I took Airtel. These were 2 trades I took. Adani Ports, I had some problem. So if you see my screenshot, I had to exit due to some problem with Zerodha. Yeah, so I had to book Adani Ports cost to cost, but Himalaya did very well in that. And these things happen sometimes. You have to get out because of some technical glitch, and you have to be thankful. You can't regret. That's the main thing about the markets. All right. Another trade that we clocked in today was Axis Bank. As I told you, wonderful trade. Then Himalaya sent you another chart. He said ICICI Bank at a make or break level. And then later in the channel, he said that ICICI Bank has broken down. If you see the chart, that happened basically at the end of the day. If you see the chart of ICICI Bank, you can see it was a clean, easy breakout, 544, and gave you momentum all the way till 539. So you could have clocked in about this much profit. It was a very, very simple trade. And again, things went as per plan. In our forum, we gave you 2-3 extraordinary trades. And first of them was the Hero Zero trade. So around 2:30, we became very active when it came to the Hero Zero trade. So what happens is expiry, things are turning to zero. So you can find that momentum. I personally kept on doing this. For the last 1 hour of the markets, I kept on scalping. And I mentioned in the group, I kept on scalping between 14,200 put option and 14,150 call option, because markets were giving me a range. Now that's where you have to be very smart about the markets. Last 1 hour, if you see, they kept on moving in this one range. So market, you could have, what I was doing is buying 14,150 here, and whenever markets came out, I bought 1400 200 put option here. I kept on scalping between calls and puts when the markets came between 14,170 and 14,190, and I kept on doing that. Eventually things got out of hand at 3 o'clock and they broke down, but we made good money in that. And you can see some screenshots. People made within 2 minutes, they made a lot of money. So I told around 139 that please take 14,150 as a Hero Zero, and we made very, very good money on 14,150. We got it at 30 rupees, and it went all the way to 50 rupees. So I personally booked my position. It was alerted in the group. So we made very, very simple money today, and we're very, very lucky that no stop losses have been hidden from our side. And people booked about 800 rupees in 2 minutes, 1,000 in just 1-2 minutes. So things were very, very simple, and it went as per plan. So all our trades went okay today. If you made some money, hit the like button, guys. Subscribe our channel, share our channel, mention in the comment section below. We would really love to see what you had to say about us, what you have to say about the TFA family and the community. So you guys are equally, I'm thankful equally to all of you, because it's for you guys that we're doing this, efforts. If you guys weren't there, we wouldn't be putting so much effort. So thank you all for being here on our screen, watching on your phone, on your laptops every single day and waiting for our videos. It means a lot to us. So we'll try to keep that consistency, and we'll see you in some time when we come to the post-market analysis and the detailed analysis, and we'll guide you what you can do in the markets tomorrow. That's it for now, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you in some time. Yep. Bye.